If you're tired of watching the same video telling you to use contrasting colors or just stand out in your niche, this will be the last thumbnail video you will ever watch on YouTube, simply because I'm going to teach you one key principle that I've used to get thousands of views for my clients and myself. Take my client Mike, for example. He went from no views and 0 leads and his time being wasted and only getting a couple hundred views to literally getting thousands of views, becoming an authority in his niche, generating leads, and he's actually Go High Level's #2 highest affiliate in the world using only the right thumbnails. And this is before and this is after, and he's gained 7,000 qualified subscribers in only 3 videos. And I've used this with my own channel. And in today's video, I'm just simply gonna teach you the real method to generate thousands of views using simple thumbnails. So let's get into it. It is so easy to get views on YouTube when you understand the key principles it takes to make a good thumbnail. And it's not gonna be some bullshit guru advice saying, oh, just have a contrasting color, or oh, just make the thumbnail pop. This is advice that you can use forever, and it will never change, it will never get outdated, because this is just literally like primal information that most channels ignore, and that's why you're on your 100th video and you don't get views. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you everything I know about thumbnail design. I have about probably 10,000 hours in thumbnails. I've blown up multiple channels. I can go here and show you all the channels that I have. I've been in the video game niche, I've been in the grow on YouTube niche, I've been in the business niche, I've been in the crypto niche, I've been in so many niches, and I've gotten thousands of views. Where is, yeah, the Money Man, 10,000 views, or 10,000 subscribers. I've been around the block, so I think I have a thing or two I can tell you, and this is information that most people will never understand or never find because no one talks about this. So one thing you need to understand, first of all, is that MrBeast thumbnails are really good. They get tens of thousands of views. So if we go to MrBeast's channel, right? MrBeast. What do you see in the thumbnails? They're colorful. It's an extreme situation. It has crazy animated faces with like spiders crawling on them and shit, and just the craziest stuff. And it's stimulating imagery. So it is like the craziest shit on the planet. And it gets millions of views. And most people will take MrBeast's advice with face value. And sure, he knows a lot about getting views. I mean, he's the most popular fucking YouTube channel in the world. But what most people don't understand is that this won't work in the business niche. This won't work in copywriting. This won't work in many niches, because MrBeast thumbnails are really good at attracting a certain type of individual, and that is children. And I'm coming here with something, right? Maybe that's the way to say it. I don't know. Anyways, I got a point coming. It's going to develop. You'll understand everything in a second. But this channel, MrBeast, is really good at attracting children because it's colorful, because it's an extreme situation, because it's entertaining. It's all these things, and this is what children are attracted to. But if we go to someone like Sell Your Service, which is one of my clients, and he is fucking phenomenal, probably the best Go High Level channel, I guess you could say business channel you could watch as of yet. He is a gem, and he's gonna blow up. He's gonna blow up. That's it. It's a foregone conclusion. But his thumbnails went from like the MrBeast archetype to like the grow on YouTube advice, the dopamine video thumbnails. You know what I mean? You know the shit I'm talking about. Like, I'll just show you an example. Like Nate Wealth. And no offense to Nate Wealth, like he's good at what he does, but he attracts a younger community because his thumbnails are colorful and they pop out, and it's like fast results. It's this, and this is what Sell Your Service was doing, but it wasn't getting him views because the people he was trying to attract is much different than fucking 16-year-olds trying to grow a YouTube channel. Do you see where I'm getting at right now? And when you look at his new thumbnails, and these are the videos that we worked on, they are just simply screenshots, right? And you'll understand this in a second. And the reason why they do so well is because they have what business owners are looking for, and that's frameworks. It's systems. It's complicated, boring business stuff. And it's not boring for a person that owns a business, because in their mind, they're analytical, they're systemic, they have systems in their head. They're much more, how would I say, in-depth than a person that works a 9-to-5 job looking to make videos in the car niche, right? It's specifically targeted towards people that have a business. So that's why he went from, and this doesn't count because his channel is blowing up, so his old videos are getting summers. But if you look at his videos, some of them like 500 views, 800 views, they're all videos targeted towards business owners, but they didn't hit the mark simply because it doesn't have the right stimuli to attract business owners. So if this was a completely different niche and like the images were switched out, so let's just say if it was like a how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on your gaming channel, this would have worked much better because the stimuli is there for people that have gaming channels under 1,000 subscribers. Do you see where I'm coming at? So that's why these thumbnails do so fucking well, because they attract the person he's trying to attract. It's so backwards and it's so simple that when I learned this information, I like had to take a look at myself in the mirror and think like, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong, right? And like, why didn't I think of this earlier? And this is the part where you'll probably click off the video because the information is so simple, but it's literally the only thing that you need to make a good thumbnail. So I'm going to give you an actionable step that you can take to figure out who you're targeting and what they find relatable. And I've talked about this in many videos. But the main thing you need to understand, and let's go in here real quick, is you need to take a good look at yourself. So you're probably making videos for your past self. And what I want you to do is put yourself in this situation. And this is a thumbnail video, but I'm telling you to like do this crazy mojo shit, but it genuinely does work, right? I've helped people get hundreds of thousands of views. This is what I tell them. This is what I show them. And if you don't understand this, then you're not going to get views. And even if you do get views, you're going to think it's just luck. But it wasn't luck because you hit certain conditions that it took for your target audience to watch. But this is how I'm going to show you how to replicate that every single time so you can get thousands of views every single time you make a video. So I want you to look at your past self. And this is your present self. More money, more time, more freedom, etc. Like whatever you're doing, it doesn't matter. I want you to make thumbnails and make videos and structure everything in a way where it's literally just you telling your past self what to do to become far more successful than what you are now. And this is literally like in everything. It's in your titles, it's in your scripting, it's in what you talk about in the video, it's the idea, but it's in the thumbnail as well, because you need to attract your past self to get the person to click the video, to get you to click on the video and learn the information. So once you understand this, you can actually make really good thumbnails. So that's step number 1. And I'm gonna write down step number 1. Bang. Boom. Just go here. Yeah, step number 1. Now step number 2 is the most important thing. You need to figure out what is your target audience used to. So for example, with Nate Wealth, his target audience is used to colorful stimuli because his video editing is super high paced. It's fast, it's got sound effects, it's got dopamine, it's got everything that it takes for someone with a short attention span to watch. And not to say that, you know, just like little brain-rotted kids watch Nate Wealth, right? Everyone watches Nate Wealth because he has hundreds of thousands of views. It doesn't make sense if it was just one person watching these videos, but I'm saying this to say that his videos are super broad and they cover a broad audience because the thumbnails are just really attractive to click on. But for someone like myself or Sell Your Service in a more niche, I guess you could say, you have to figure out what they are interested in. So for business owners, for example, you go to Sell Your Service, they like systems, they like frameworks. That's why guys like Charlie Morgan do so well. And I'll just show you right now. Charlie Morgan has tons of systems and whiteboard imagery in his thumbnails. And if you look at Sam Ovens, for example, a lot of his videos are literally just like screenshots of him and like a whiteboard or like something interesting going on in the background that I would say a more like smarter person would watch. So if you think to yourself, go back to the Mr. Beast example. Do you think people who watch Mr. Beast and are attracted to Mr. Beast thumbnails are going to watch Sam Ovens? No, because it's simply two different target demographics. So if I could give you an example, business owners, they like frameworks, they like interesting things, they like thought-provoking things, they like stimuli that, how would I say it, makes it seem like they would feel stupid if they didn't watch the video because there might be some sort of crucial information that could take their business from like here to here, right? And stimuli for Mr. Beast, for example, is colorful and it just pops and it makes the viewer think, oh, this is going to cure my boredom. I'm going to watch this because it looks cool. It's two different pieces of stimuli. So once you understand like who you're targeting, then everything is just going to flow like that. So what I want you to do to figure out like what makes your target audience click the thumbnail is literally just think, what would make you click the thumbnail? So what makes you click a Sam Ovens video? What makes you click an Alex Hormozi video? What makes you click thumbnails that are recommended to your algorithm? Agency owner buys a $30,000 Rolex. Like, I'll give you an example. For this thumbnail right here, I would say the younger business people are going to click this video because younger people getting into entrepreneurship and like making some money online are really into the whole money, Twitter, flexing bullshit. Like, in my opinion, it's bullshit. So I would say a person from like 18 to 24 is going to click on that video, right? Because it's just a flex video, right? It's an emotional video, it gets you emotional probably, and it would just make you like buy his course or something. I don't know, maybe he does have a course, maybe he doesn't. I'm just saying. But this one right here, 15 years of YouTube advice in 38 minutes. So for this video, I would argue that, oh God, where is it? Let's try to find it. My bad. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, so for this video, I'm going to try not to lose it. I would argue that this guy right here probably attracts 30-year-olds because the guy looks professional. The guy's holding play buttons. It's not really stimulating. It's just a graph going up. It's like a drawn-on YouTube logo, 6 million subs, strategy, checkmark, luck, X. It makes sense. And if you probably click the video, it's probably not a lot of editing.
I have 6 million subscribers. I have the most viewed video on the topic of...
Oh my God, it's this guy, bro. I didn't even know this. Anyways, if we look at the comments, it's probably a lot of mature people commenting. So, like, I'm just going to find these people. Rosaline, King Vic, OVO Works. I mean, these are mature people commenting on his channel. And I didn't even know this guy existed. I guess I've seen his videos before, but I didn't even know this channel existed. I looked at the thumbnail and I instantly knew who this guy is targeting, simply because you attract who you are. And when you realize this, and you realize who you are and who you want to attract with your offer, with your low ticket, your high ticket, your mid ticket, I don't care what it is, whatever you're selling, whatever you're giving, whatever you're putting out in the world, you attract who you're trying to attract. And when you figure out like who you are and who you make videos for, you can put certain things in your thumbnails that attract the person you're trying to attract. So yeah, Rosaline, very mature channels. King Vic, when you're losing hope, motivational video, be yourself. It's like people that are older. OVO works. Older person. Like, I just knew this because of the thumbnails. Now, if you look at Mr. Beast, we click on fucking this video right here. Survive 100 days in nuclear bunker, win 500 million. Or you know what? No. Let's go to the most popular video. 652 mil. Squid Game in real life. I wonder who that's going to attract.
I recreated every single set.
Oh my god. So, let's go to newest comments. You're gonna see like, animal, winner cheater, I need a chance. Gamera Brachio. Japanese guy. Oh, sorry, Korean. English or Spanish. Like, you got all these things like, bro, check this. Fun Chewbacca. Like, this guy is a little kid, bro. You know what I mean? It's when you realize like this is who he's making videos for, you realize that stimuli like really does matter. And the amount of effort you put into your video, and what I mean by effort is like what you talk about in your video, you need to think of how you can do that in your thumbnail too, because most people, they try to copy like someone else in a certain niche when they really should be attracting someone like all the way over here. So one thing that I can really hammer down, and I know this video has just been a rant, is you need to understand like who you're targeting and make thumbnails specifically for that person. And just like last example, because I think this will like really hit the hammer on the head, is you look at this channel right here, Bodied by Kira. And can you pause this video real quick, or just look at this real quick? I'll give you a few seconds and think to yourself, who is this video going to attract? Women. Women with curly hair. Like, that's it. So the thumbnail reflects who she's trying to attract, and it's just literally women with curly hair. So that's it. That's all you need to know. You need to know who you're trying to attract and figure out what makes them attracted to a certain thumbnail. So if you like Sam Ovens, you're probably going to like Sell Your Service. Or if you like Alex, no, this is a better example. If you like Alex Hormozi, you're going to like Sell Your Service. If you like PewDiePie and you're like fucking 14 years old, you're going to like Mr. Beast. If you have curly hair, you're going to like this girl probably because she has curly hair and you're like, ooh, her hair's nice, like let me click it. Or you're going to watch, where's she? Girl we had earlier. Bodied by Kira. Gonna watch that video. Focus on crypto. If you're into crypto, you're going to be into these kind of thumbnails. It's like, oh, the crypto logo. Oh, let me click this video. Well, you know, these thumbnails are kind of bad, so I would make them better. But you know what I mean? Like, it's different stimuli for different niches. So that's all I got to say in this video. And yeah, if you found this thoughtful, let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't, please roast me. It's a rant video. I know, I understand. But hopefully this helps, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.